Today you're going to be learning how to initialize a brand new or cleaned hard drive, as well as put a partition volume onto the drive and learn what each of the settings are good for. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and if you haven't already done so, click the join button down below, be part of our monthly live streams, and part of our private Discord channel. So let's get to my desktop so you can learn everything from beginning to end. So we're going to go through the control panel. Control panel, you have a search at the top. Start writing the word disk and then partition, and then you'll have the create and format hard disk partitions. From there, you'll have a menu if the actual drive is clean, so it's never been used before, or it has already been cleaned with a tool like disk part. Now in this case, let's say you hit the escape button, there is still a way to get back to that menu. Let's full screen this and drag this down where it says disk 6. In my case, I can right click it, click initialize disk, and I'm given options. MBR is far more compatible, but GPT can actually partition drives that are bigger than 2.2 terabytes. Obviously on the Windows side, only Windows 8 and 10 can boot from a GPT drive, so keep that thing in mind. We're going with GPT regardless. Then of course, because we can't do anything with the drive yet, we're going to have to right click it, click new simple volume, and start following the wizard. So we click next on the first window. We want to allocate everything. You can allocate less if you want. Then you can assign a letter or not assign a letter if you want. I'm going to change the volume label because I don't like those things, but you can obviously change file system. NTFS is great for files that are bigger than 4 gigs. exFAT is actually more compatible with a whole bunch of things, including consoles. In this case, we're going exFAT just for the hell of it. And then we're going to click next, finish, and we are done. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past episodes, as well as use the contact form to email me directly. And don't forget to subscribe and join this channel. Those who join this channel actually get to be part of our monthly live streams, as well as our private Discord channel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.